welcome back. It's your friends from KJ 4x4. We're out here in Main Canyon with some other Colorados. Stay tuned for the video. I will introduce the trucks that made this trip possible. We have Javier CR2, my truck of course. We have Paloma CR2, we have Sal's Red Edition, and last but not least, we have Jacob's C71. Alright guys, now that you met everybody, let's go ahead and heat up the trail. This is the only offshoot on the trail that we encounter. As you can see here, some of the trucks will be playing around in this area. So we were supposed to stop in the water crossing, but due to the fact that it was occupied, we weren't able to play in that area. So we went ahead and we found a camping site where they had a grill for some carne asada. There was a riverbed. We went out there and started exploring it, and man, let me tell you, the view is amazing. But the bugs that were around us, man, let me tell you, they were not friendly at all. Other than that, that place was amazing. I would definitely recommend it. So on this trail, we only had one accident. We will let the owner tell you what happened exactly. Hey, what happened, Javi?
Dile.
What happened, yo? I fucking crashed into the mountain like a dumbass. I have stories to tell now. Hey, what happened? Big ass. It's okay, hey, I can get you the bumper for cheap. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to go out there and explore. Also, if you want to form part of our group, hit us up on Instagram or leave a comment below and we'll reply back to you as soon as we can. Once again, thank you for watching.